It's called Come to Canada tool. So if you're looking to find out if you're eligible for a certain visa category, could be on work basis, it could be your intention to study in Canada, visit Canada, or you're looking to move to Canada on a permanent basis, go to the government's website, canada.ca, and punch in your information on this tool. And this tool will tell you whether or not you are eligible for your chosen visa category, or if you are eligible for Canadian immigration. So I'm going to walk you through the tool right now. Let me share my screen. Okay, so that's the tool. Click here, scroll down, click check eligibility, answer these questions, move there. Yes, you want to permanently move. Okay, again, permanently. It's Pakistan. Your passport country of residence is also Pakistan. Okay, scroll down. No, you don't have a family member in Canada. No. Okay, random date of birth. Move on. Quickly, please. Yeah, go to next. Okay, so over here, make a selection. Again, permanent. Find a permanent job in Canada. Click next. Click next. Continue. Okay, choose your desired province. I go with Ontario. Next. Okay, so you scroll down, go next. Yeah, I mean, do anything like IELTS or something and click next. Okay. And just put any random figure here, 2024, any month, any date, and give yourself a random score. Click next. So let's go with 7.5 each band. Okay. Yep, 7.5. Click next. And now, yep, you don't have any other tests to give. Click next. Okay, how many years of work experience? Go with more than 1 year, of course. And then you just choose your tier category. 0, 1, or 2, I'll go with 1. Okay, click next. Okay, so here's the result. Based on your answers, you appear to be eligible for express entry. And that's how you can find out your eligibility for any desired visa category, be it work, study, visit, or you're looking to permanently move in Canada.